Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video with your boy Salam. And today in this particular video, we're going to be talking about how you could actually generate graphic designs inside of Gemini, and it is fully editable in Canva AI. Of course, a lot of people do not know you can actually link your Gemini AI to Canva and just work on these things. But of course, that's what we're going to be discussing in this episode. So first things first, if you do not have Canva installed, make sure you have it installed on your device. Gemini needs to be installed too as well. So I just installed Canva and just give it a moment, just a few moments, and let us have the app open up. Of course, this is the first time put up, so it might be slightly longer than usual. Of course, do well to sign in. Um, if you if your Gemini is connected to a different email, that's it. If you have multiple emails on your device, you would actually do well to sign out and sign in to the exact email that is logged in on Gemini. So I'm just actually going to go through that quickly to make sure that everything is properly linked. Of course, when you do that, you come over to your settings in the Gemini app and go down to connected apps and then just scroll down until you see Canva. Go through the connected apps, and of course, you can see Canva, but you can notice that it's toggled off. So we just toggle that on, connect. Be sure to read through the instructions, of course, then connect. And if you do this correctly, you should open up browser asking you to link. You just click on the link, scroll through, read everything, all the terms, and then agree. Now, of course, it opens up in the browser, so you connect with Google. Now, at this particular point, be sure to connect with the very same account that is connected on Gemini. That's actually the best you could do. So you just click on allow, and if you've actually followed these steps properly, at this point you should be linked. Of course, you can see that it's now toggled on. Canva is now toggled on. So yeah, basically, if you want to actually read some more, you could do that, or let's go to create a new design. Now, there are different design prompts that you could actually work with. So I'm just going to work with this sample design prompt, right? To connect Canva. Now you see the sample design prompt actually says that Canva generates an Instagram story for my barbecue party this weekend. Of course, if you want to actually generate for something else, be sure to tag at Canva. So that's where you are telling Gemini that you are speaking directly to Canva, right? That instruction is directed towards Canva, and then you give the instruction on the style of design that you want. Of course, this particular one says Instagram story, so of course it's going to be 9 by 16. So you let it just do its thing, give it a few moments, and it will just give you. In my own case here, you see, if you could look at that, you could see that it's given me four different designs. And the beautiful thing about this design is that it is fully editable. I'm going to show you that in a second. So we'll just look through, make a choice. So I'm just going to make I'll just look through and make a random choice. The moment you click on it, it opens inside of your Canva app. All right. Now when it opens up inside of your Canva app, you can edit the information that is on the design. Guys, don't sleep on this, because this has the propensity to cut down your design time by like 80% or even more. Of course, you come up, you want to make really quick designs, or maybe you generate something with AI and it doesn't really come up well. Gemini does that sometimes. There are times where editing your designs, modifying your designs can be a pain. Of course, it's not as it used to be just some months back, but yeah, sometimes it can actually get that way. So this is a very, very beautiful way. And of course, having that convenience of connecting to Canva gives you an extra layer of control where you can make major manipulations to your designs, or even using that just as a guide to create something really, really beautiful. Of course, as you can see, the text, all the elements on the screen are actually editable, including the background. You can actually change the background, you could just do stuff. So this makes it really, 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 really beautiful. And of course, very convenient. Well, I'll be very, very eager to see what you guys can actually come up with doing this. Whenever you get to do this, or if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments section below. I would be on the lookout. And of course, I'm going to be out to answer any question as quickly as I can, as quickly as I get the chance. Of course, until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.